The ocean covers 71% of our planet. It holds 97% of Earth's water. And at its deepest point, the Mariana Trench, it drops over 11 kilometers straight down. To put that in perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, it would still be covered by over a mile of water. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the ocean floor. Think about that for a second. We have sent human beings to walk on another world. We have rovers driving across Mars right now, sending back selfies. But less than 20% of our own ocean floor has ever been mapped in detail. The rest? Complete darkness, complete mystery. For decades, oceanographers have been collecting data, sonar readings, temperature maps, pressure logs, camera footage from deep-sea submersibles, terabytes and terabytes of raw data that no human team could ever fully analyze. Until AI entered the picture. In 2023, researchers began feeding this massive archive into advanced machine learning systems, and what the AI found in that data was waiting for us the entire time. The first discovery was geological, and it was enormous. Hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean floor, AI detected a network of underground river systems flowing through cracks in the Earth's crust, transporting heat, minerals, and potentially the chemical building blocks of life itself. These aren't small streams. We're talking about underground rivers larger than the Amazon. Some of them stretch for thousands of kilometers beneath the seabed, completely invisible to sonar, completely invisible to human analysis, completely invisible until now. But here's what makes this truly terrifying and beautiful at the same time. These underground rivers don't just carry water. They carry hydrothermal energy from the Earth's mantle, heat from the planet's core, and they release it at specific
depths,
points
the
along the
absolute.
ocean floor.
Yet life
Points
still
that,
finds a way
when
to
AI
cling to
mapped
the
them,
abyss.
lined up almost
We are entering a
perfectly
world
with
of eternal
known clusters
darkness.
of deep-sea life. Life that had no business being there. Which brings us to discovery number 2. Deep-sea researchers have long known about extremophiles, creatures that survive in conditions that would instantly kill any surface life. But what AI
Here,
revealed was
in
the
the
sheer
deepest
scale
reaches
of
of our
this
planet,
hidden ecosystem.
a tiny
Using
light
machine learning
illuminates
to
the
analyze
endless
bioluminescent patterns captured by deep-sea cameras, AI identified movement signatures that don't match any known species. Slow, massive, rhythmic. Marine biologists estimate some of these unidentified organisms could be anywhere from 10 to 40 meters in length, larger than a blue whale, moving in the absolute darkness, 8 kilometers below the surface. We don't know what they are. We don't know how many there are. We just know they're there, and they've probably been there for millions of years, long before humans existed, long before dinosaurs walked the earth. Whatever is down there has been waiting, undisturbed, unseen, until an AI finally noticed the light it leaves behind. Here's where it gets really strange. When AI cross-referenced deep-sea biological samples with global DNA databases, it identified genetic sequences that don't match anything currently living on Earth. Not mutations, not corrupted data. Clean, complete genetic sequences from organisms that, by all scientific understanding, should be extinct. Some of these sequences have been tentatively linked to creatures from the Cambrian period, over 500 million years ago. The Cambrian explosion was when complex life first erupted on Earth. Strange, alien-looking creatures that lived in a world almost unrecognizable from our own. Scientists thought they were all gone. But deep in the sediment of the ocean floor, their DNA is still there. And in some cases, it's attached to living cells. Whether these are true living descendants of Cambrian life or something else entirely is still being studied. But the AI didn't just find the DNA. It predicted exactly where in the ocean floor more samples would be found. And when researchers went to those exact locations, they found them. For the first time in history, AI is letting us explore the ocean without physically going there. Google DeepMind's oceanography models can now predict where new species are likely to exist based on water temperature, salinity, and pressure data alone. They have already predicted the location of 3 previously unknown deep-sea hydrothermal vent fields, all 3 of which were later confirmed by physical exploration. 3 for 3. NASA. Yes, NASA is using this exact ocean AI research to prepare for missions to Europa, Jupiter's moon, which scientists believe has a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface. The conditions on Europa are almost identical to our own deep sea. Same crushing pressure, same total darkness, same hydrothermal chemistry. If life can exist at the bottom of our ocean with zero sunlight, it can exist there too. The deep sea isn't just an unexplored part of Earth. It's our best preview of what alien life might actually look like, and AI is the first tool powerful enough to decode it. The 5th discovery is the one that keeps oceanographers up at night. In 1997, underwater microphones detected an ultra-low frequency sound in the Pacific Ocean. It was nicknamed the bloop. It was so loud it was picked up by sensors over 5,000 kilometers apart. Scientists eventually attributed it to ice movement. Case closed, or so they thought. When AI was fed the full archive of ocean acoustic data collected over the past 30 years, it found 14 more sounds similar to the bloop. Sounds that don't match ice, don't match earthquakes, don't match any known geological activity. Some of them follow patterns, repeating intervals, consistent frequencies, almost like communication. Nobody is saying it's a creature. Nobody is saying it's something intelligent, but nobody can explain it either. And the AI, for the first time, has given researchers a map of exactly where these sounds originate. Deep in the southern Pacific, near the same zones where those unidentified movement signatures were detected, the same zones where the ancient DNA was found, the same zones fed by those underground river systems. Everything keeps pointing to the same place. Something is down there. We've spent billions exploring space, sending rovers to Mars, building telescopes to see the edge of the universe. But the greatest mystery in the known universe is right here, beneath our feet, beneath the waves. 5 discoveries. 5 things AI found that human eyes missed for decades. Underground rivers larger than the Amazon, creatures bigger than blue whales moving in total darkness, ancient DNA from organisms 500 million years old, an AI that can predict alien life zones on other moons, and sounds from the deep that nobody can explain. The ocean isn't empty.
In the deepest
it never
reaches
was.
of our planet,
we just didn't have the
tiny
tools
light
to see what was hiding
illuminates the
inside it
endless dark.
until now. If this blew your mind, subscribe to Explorers Deep. Every week we go deeper, into the ocean, into the science, and into the unknown. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 discoveries scared you the most? I'll see you in the deep.